YouTube. So today's video is about this lovely food processor, this KitchenAid KFP0771 food processor. And I'm gonna do this video in hopes that I possibly might save someone a headache, a return label, and just a whole lot of headache. I was trying to make a carrot cake and it literally took me 2 hours before I was just like, forget it. I'm just gonna call KitchenAid. And they walked me through this process. So when I got this, it was not turning on. No matter how I clicked in all these pieces here, it would not turn on. And I just called customer service, waited on hold for half an hour for something very simple. So basically, what you have to do is unplug this food processor, plug it in. Sorry, not unplug, plug it in, okay? Plug it in, and then I'm gonna zoom in here because no other video on the internet does this. There is a little thing here, this little part that you're, that if you zoom into it, I don't know if you can see this, but there is a little button there. You can hear me clicking it? There's a button there. So what you're gonna do, so I'm gonna put this down for a second so that you can see. Of course this isn't working when I need it to work, my stand. Please don't mind my kitchen because I was making carrot cake. We had a bunch of carrots that were on sale and I was like, let me make some carrot cake, yay! But, oh my god, I couldn't figure out my food processor. So yay, that took forever and I'm scrambling to get stuff done. So let's see here. This little button, you're gonna press it at the same time that you press low to see if your motor turns on. So it's plugged in. If when you're pressing that button, your unit is not dead on arrival. As so many people on their Amazon reviews have said, oh, my thing was DOA, blah, blah, blah. It's not. It's not dead. If it does that, you're good. You just have to, if it clicks and you press low and it turns on, you are good. So look, that has to go in there, okay? And what you do, excuse the carrots because I literally just took it out to make this video. You're gonna hear that click, okay? Now, here's the next part. You're gonna put in your accessory. This is hard to do when you're looking through the camera lens. Put in your accessory, push down, make sure. Okay? Simple. Put in your blade. Oh, sorry. Put in your blade. Be very careful to hold it from the finger holes. These are the finger holes. Okay? Now, here's the tricky part. No other video, again, does this because this is a locking mechanism for safety. It's almost too safe, okay? Here's the other button, okay? You're gonna click it. You're gonna make sure that it turns on. Okay, I'm not gonna click it before covering this. So watch. That's what you gotta pay attention to. And there is like this tiny little attachment. And if you don't have the lid on properly, see it? There it is. That little piece right there has to slide in all the way to touch that piece so that it will actually hold that down. So then that safety mechanism down there is in place because you've locked the mixing bowl into place. Then this safety mechanism here has to be in place with this going all the way in there. If your lid is not, this piece of your lid, this little weird piece of your lid is not touching that, it will not turn on. I will show you. Okay, not the best angle to show this to you from, but I don't have any other way to show it to you. Okay, so you have to make sure that that's all the way in and this is all the way in. I needed to put it down. So you see in the handle, oh, sorry. In the handle, that little white piece, that little extra clear, not white, clear piece has to be touching that. Then it'll work. It's not dead on arrival. My phone may be, but it works. Okay, and it shreds really well. There's a little piece here. You can push the carrots down in, and in 2 seconds, I was then shredding like 8 bags of carrots. But again, This piece has to be touching that thing, and down in there, it has to be touching it. It will not turn on. It will not turn on until those two little safety levers are in place. Your KitchenAid mixer, food processor is not dead on arrival. Nothing's wrong with the motor. It's simply this safety feature. Okay, hit like, share, subscribe. Bye.